You can drill wood faster, more cleanly, and with less effort using Verse Spade drill bits. The thread tip guarantees optimal centering and, at the same time, fast drilling progress of the bit. The pre-cutting spurs give a clean drill hole and guarantee tear-free drilling. The convex spades allow the drilling chips to be catapulted out of the drill hole. Work is altogether faster and much more comfortable than with a standard drill bit. The Spade bit's drill hole is much cleaner and smoother than that of a standard bit. The Spade bits are obtainable individually, in various lengths, or as a 6-piece set. Faster, easier, more precise. Verse Spade drill bits are the first choice for professional woodworkers dealing with soft wood.